approximately 1.5 miles from the Minnesota River, and we have a small unnamed ditch or creek running on the western edge of our property. And we've planted a buffer strip, so if there is any runoff, the grass and stuff would filter the sediments out before it gets to the creek. And we planted a living snow fence, which the Department of Transportation really enjoys. Next to the creeks or the rivers, there should be a buffer strip of some kind to filter out the sediments. And it's going to help clean up the water all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico, where there is a problem there with too much fertilizer and stuff in that area. And we do minimum tillage on most of our property. We haven't had a plow on our property for probably 20 years. And most of us tilled in the fall with a soil saver machine.
We are located in Nicollet County, Cortland Township, and we're only 2 miles from the Minnesota River, so we're naturally concerned about that. Before we did this project, our milk house water drained down the tile line, as did many of our livestock lots directly had access to a tile line. If we had heavy enough rains, that it would wash directly in the tile lines and eventually end up in the river, and we knew that that could not continue.
We needed a change on this farm, and we used the EQUIP program to do it to improve make our operation more efficient and also more environmentally friendly. And that's what it comes down to. In the future, our consumers are going to be more concerned about where their food comes from, the quality of the food, and we're just trying to optimize our efficiency and our quality on this farm.
There's a lot of things to look at. The project was cost share, which was very important because we could never afford a project of this magnitude without a cost share program. It just would not be feasible whatsoever. We like to see that we're more environmentally sound, that the feedlot water and runoff is draining into the lagoon, the milk house water is going in the lagoon and not where it's not supposed to go.
Farmers have to be proactive in what they are doing for the environment. There's so many options available, and by doing water improvement projects or reducing manure runoff or putting up wind shelters, to reduce erosion, any project you can do, even on the small scale, will improve your community. Farmers need to take a look at what's in their best interest and also in the best interest of the environment in which they're farming.